In this video, we will show you how to use the member forums on the Iowa Public Works Service Bureau's website. You have to be logged in order to use this feature, but simply go to the main menu and click Forums, and that will take you into this list of ongoing discussions. You can see, for example, we have an open forum where we have 9 discussions going on inside of it, and 44 posts have been made within those 9 discussions. We have various types of forums, and if you see one in here that you're interested in, all you have to do is click on it, and it will open up the list of discussions that are going on. If you would like us to create a forum that you do not see here but you think would be beneficial, please email us at pwsb@iastate.edu. For right now, we're going to open a new discussion here in this recruiting forum, as we currently don't have anything available, so we're going to go ahead and start the conversation. This discussion title is going to be about bonuses, and I'm simply going to click into the text box down here. What bonuses do you offer to new hires? So now that I've got my discussion title and a basic question started, what I can do is I can add one of several media down here. You can see that I can attach a document, attach a video, a picture, or I can also reformat this to make it a little snazzier if I want to. Or I can go in here and type one or more tags. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put in a tag of bonus, and then I'm going to hit the comma, and I'm going to do hiring, and I'm going to hit another comma, and that creates a couple of tags there that allows me to connect different types of discussions with one another. So if I want to see all discussions that are going on about hiring policies, I can simply click a link down the road and say, I want to bring those all up so I can view them all. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to select what type of post I want this to be. Normal, we'll put it into alphabetical order within this recruiting forum. If I select sticky, it will put this to the top of the list regardless of alphabetical order. So it's a way of upvoting, if you want to use the internet term, this particular conversation. And if I select super sticky, what that will do is that will post this to the top of all forums across our forums section. For obvious reasons, we don't want to overuse those two options at the bottom, so we're just going to leave this at normal. And I'm going to click Notify Me of Follow-up Replies via email. I'm going to post that. And now at the right up here, you can see under bonuses, we have the tags here. And I could make this a favorite if I want to by clicking on the word favorite. Now, since I have already indicated that I want to be notified, it has subscribed me to all replies on this discussion. But if I no longer need it, I can click unsubscribe there and it will take me off of the reply list. I'm going to go back to the main forums page and I'm going to select staffing levels here. And as you can see over here at the right, I am not automatically subscribed to this particular discussion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select subscribe, and now it's going to notify me of all conversations that take place in here. We highly recommend that you go through this and actually subscribe to these forums because it's a great way to connect with your fellow professionals throughout the state and to get involved in conversations on how to more efficiently run your departments. If I want to respond to an existing discussion that's going on, let's say that I want to go to this budget planning item here. I can click there, and let's say I want to do a consultant selection, which was started by John Joyner. The moderator tag means John Joyner is the person who initiated this. I can select the text box down here to put in my response. And what I can also do is I can specifically tag other users in here. I'm just going to select the @ symbol, and I'm going to type in JO. And up here at the top, I can see John Joyner, and I'm going to click that item, and it puts his username in. You don't need to know anybody's username, just start typing their name and it will show you a list of people. But then John will be automatically tagged and will be notified of this particular response that I put into his discussion. We're not actually going to post this right now, but you get the idea that it is very interactive, and you can also seek out other people who might be interested in talking about a particular topic. Thank you very much for watching our video. We hope that you make use of the forums and that you find them useful. If you have any other topics that you would like to see on the forums, again, please don't hesitate to email us at pwsb@iastate.edu.